You want to find out who is your celebrity lookalike? You want to turn your photo into baby lookalike? You want to turn your photo into cartoon? You want to turn your photo into pencil drawing? You want to turn your photo into old look? Today I have just a way for you to do all of that and much more. The way is simple. All you have to do is only downloading the application of Gradient Photo Editor. Gradient Photo Editor is available on both Google Play and Apple stores. Gradient is an interesting photo editor with filters, effects, and editing features, and a fun face scanner that can find your celebrity doppelganger. Simply upload a selfie to find out which celebrity, famous historical figure, or even character in a painting that looks the most like you. Try this photos editor, browse through all its filters, and add the perfect effect to your photos. Check out some samples from this application. Thank you for watching. See you soon.